Today I'm reviewing the SKG Foot Massager with heat and remote. SKG sent this to me so I could give you an honest review after using it at home. So let's dive in. As you can see, it's designed to handle up to a US men's size 13 foot. I wear a size 12 and my feet fit comfortably with room to spare. But it's not just for larger feet. My wife enjoys using it too. You can choose between 15 and 30-minute sessions, and it shuts off automatically when done. There are 3 shiatsu intensity settings, and you can shut it off if desired. There are 3 levels of 360-degree compression, and once again, you can shut that off if you would like as well. And there's a heat function that warms up to 131 degrees, and again, you can shut that off if you would like to. And the heat is really soothing. Sometimes I'll even use it just for warmth if my feet are cold. If you wear socks, it takes an extra minute to feel the heat, but once it kicks in, it's very comfortable. As far as the power cord is concerned, it's approximately 6 feet long, so you can use it in more places around the house without needing an extension. The liners are removable and machine washable, which makes it easy to keep clean. And I hope you can see it okay on the video, but the liners themselves just zip in and zip out, which makes it very easy. And then once you get them unzipped, there's a couple of pieces of Velcro that hold everything into place, but it's a super easy process. On top, you've got a flat control panel with touch buttons as we saw earlier. I like this design because these touch buttons feel durable and less likely to wear out than some other buttons you have to click. It also comes with a wireless remote that can control everything, though I did notice that you need to be sure that you are pointing it directly at the unit for it to register. The exterior is made of a softer, flexible material that feels like silicone or rubber. At first I wondered if it would protect the internal components well enough, but after using it for a while, everything works great and my concerns are gone. What I really appreciate about this massager is how customizable it is. Between the shiatsu, compression, and heat settings, you can dial in exactly the massage you want. Honestly, it almost feels like having a massage therapist who listens to your preferences. So that's my honest take on this SKG Foot Massager with heat and remote. It's versatile, comfortable, and customizable. If you're looking for a way to relax your feet at home, this is worth checking out. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.